Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendants. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. For those customers seated in an overwing exit, window shades must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it sits low and tight around your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are seated. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted signs, posted signs, and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the laboratory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat back pocket explains the safety features of this aircraft, including the location and operation of the exit and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a orderly evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind that the closest usable exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and slowly relax the band over your head. Pull the straps tight and breathe normally. Put on your own mask before assisting others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. In a orderly evacuation, you can use your seat cushion for flotation. Pull up to remove the cushion and take it to the usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps and hook the cushion to your chest. If necessary, and in an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant, the safety card shows how to use it. In just a few moments, we'll be dimming the camera lights for departure. Individual reading lights are located overhead. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.
Taking off from runway 22 left, 22 right, sorry. Just gonna wait for that JetBlue. Do what I need to get airborne and be a safe distance away from us. should be about 1,000 feet above the ground. Okay, probably now 500 feet. Oh god, we're high. Oh god. Okay, amazing. Oh, there's the runway. I just panicked a bit. And again. Main gear touchdown, speed brakes and thrust reversers are being deployed. Nose gear touchdown, aircraft's slowing down.
Ladies and gentlemen, American Airlines wants to welcome you to Charlotte. The local time is 10:46 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seatback pocket, personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the other compartment, be careful. Items may have shipped during flight. You may now use your cell phones. On behalf of American Airlines and our Aurora partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us this evening. And again, we would like to apologize for the delay, and we hope you have a good night.